B is changing the state, complement and non-complement form. So the variable B is cancelled. 0 and 1 are cancelled. That means A is not there. The values with 1 will be considered for simplification, where the first one will be 0, 0, 0. C has complement and non-complement form. Final expression will be A dash into B into D dash. Welcome to the next session of Digital Electronics. I am Dr. Soumya Shri from Department of Computer Science, Vidyashram College. In the previous session, I explained you few examples of simplifying the Boolean function using the K-map or Karnaugh map, is it not? The Karnaugh map uses a table of rows and columns with cells where each cell will have a min term or a max term which can be grouped and simplified to get the simplified Boolean expression. In turn, that Boolean expression is going to be used while constructing the gates, is it not? Let's move on to the few more examples of expressions using the sum of the product form. In these examples, we are using the sum of the products. How to simplify the Boolean expression in product of sum will be the topic of discussion in the next session. Alright, let's move on to this session. In the example, we have the expression. We don't have the expression. They have not given the expression. Directly they have given the values. Okay, here the cells which are empty will have the values 0. You don't mention zeros. If they are not there, that means they are cells having the 0 value. Now we have all these min terms. If you draw the min term from this K-map, you can have the expression f of a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, the min terms will be start with this, or you can start with this. This is the first one, 0, 0, 1, 0. It will be a dash, b dash, c, d dash. Okay, now you can represent 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, the first value is 0, 0, 1, 0, a dash into b dash into c plus d dash. Next we have a dash, b dash, c into d, plus we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all you have 0, that is a dash, b, c dash, d dash, plus a dash, b, c dash, d. C dash D plus 6 is A dash B C D dash. Isn't it? Next we have 7 A dash into B into C into D. Next expression is. Next we have the 8 is not there. Then you have 6. 9 is there. 9 will be A into B dash, A into B dash, C into D, C into D. Just C dash into D plus 10, 11, 12 is there. 12 will be 1, 1, that is A into B. This is complement C dash into D dash. Next we have 13. 13 will be represented as A into B, C dash into D. A into B into C dash into D. Next we have the 14. 14 will be represented as A into B, A into B, then C into D dash. Last expression is all 1. It will be A, B, C, D. Okay. Totally, we have how many min terms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 min terms are there. Okay. So, you can have the expression like this. Now, we have the group. This is group 1. This is group 2. And this is group 3 you can have. When you simplify this, let's take with the first group. Let us take with the first group. First group has 8 ones. So, what are the combinations of values you need to consider is, in this A and B, you have to consider these two, whereas in CD, you have to consider all the 4 combinations. First, let us check with the A and B. When you check with the variable A has complement and non-complement form, it will be cancelled. That means variable A will be ignored. When it comes to variable B, B is having both the non-complement form. You can keep the variable B. When you check with C and D, C is having 0 complement form and 1 non-complement form. So, this will be cancelled. That means variable C is not there. Then if you look at D, again D is having complement, non-complement, non-complement, complement. States are changing. Again D is also cancelled. What is remaining is B in the non-complement form, B. Next you have second group. In second group, you have to check with these 2 combinations and these 2 combinations. Alright, here when you check with A and B, A is remaining in the complement form 0 and 0. So, you can keep the variable A. When you check with variable B, what you can observe is B is having complement form and non-complement form. State is changing. So B variable will be cancelled. Next, when you look into these two variables, C and D, the variable C is maintaining the consistency. It is both in the non-complement form. So you can keep the C. When you check with D, D is having complement and non-complement form. So the variable D is cancelled. Now A is there, C is there. A, C, A is in the complement form. So it will be A dash C. C is in the non-complement form. It will be C. That means you have the expression A dash C. Now let us check with the third group. Third group has two ones. The variables you need to check is this and this one. Okay. When you look at the variables A and B, A is having only non-complement form in both the ones. So A can be kept. When you look at the variable B, B is changing the state, complement and non-complement form. So the variable B is cancelled. When you look at the variables C and D, C is in complement form and D is in non-complement form. You don't have anything else to be compared with. So both the variables will be kept. Now the variables is A in the non-complement form, C in the complement form and D in the non-complement form. So it will be A, C dash D. So this will be A, C dash D. When you combine all the three expression, you will get B plus A dash C. You can use this one also. A dash C plus A into C dash D. How many variables were there in the original expression? 4 variables and 11 minterms. The function with 4 variables and 11 minterms is simplified to 3 minterms with maximum of 3 variables using the Carnot map concept. Now, are you clear with this example of simplification? If not, don't worry. Let's take another example. Now we have the 3 variable example. Here we have the variables A, B and C. Okay. This expression has a single 1 in this, that is A dash into B dash into C dash. Then we have 2 ones. You cannot combine these 1 because if this is 1, you can combine. If 1 was present here, you would have combined these 2 ones. But this one cannot be combined with any of the ones in the table K-map. So it will be kept as it is. Alright. Now we have this one and this one. Okay. When you check with, for this example, checks this combination and this one. Okay. When you check this, the variable A has complement and non-complement form. So it will be cancelled. B is in same state. So B will be kept in non-complement form. Next you have C. C is in non-complement form. So the expression in this is BC. Now we have another expression. Here you have to check with these variables and these. Okay. A and B has nothing to be compared. Do not have anything to compare. So it will be kept as it is. when you look at C, C has complement and non-complement form. They will be cancelled. That means variable C is cancelled. Now, AB is there in the non-complement form. The expression is A into B. Alright. Now, remained is this one with all the three in the complement form, that is A dash into B dash into C dash. This is the final simplified expression. Alright. We have another example of three variables, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we have three groups. Okay. In these three groups, each group has, one group has 2 ones, one group has 4 ones, and one group has again 2 ones. Alright. Now if you check this group with these variables, you have A and B in the same state. So variable A will be as it is, whereas B is having complement and non-complement form. This will be cancelled. This means variable B is cancelled. C doesn't have anything to compare. C will be kept. So the first group has the expression A in the complement form, that is A dash, and C in the complement form, that is C dash. Next we have this group. In whatever order, you can check the or simplify the variables. So you have A dash, C dash. Next you have this one. Compare these two with this. A is in the non-complement form. It will be kept as it is. Whereas variable B is changing the values, non-complement and complement form. So this will be cancelled. Variable B will be cancelled. Okay. Now we have the expression A in non-complement form and C is in non-complement form. This will be A into C. When you look at the third group has 4 ones, now you have to check these two variables and these two combination. Now, if you look at this combination, the variable A is having complement and non-complement form. This will be cancelled. That means variable A is cancelled. Variable A is cancelled. Next, if you check with the value B, B is having only complement form. Therefore, B will be kept. When you look at these two, they are having complement and non-complement form. The C will be cancelled. Remained is the A cancelled, C cancelled. Remained is the variable B in the complement form. Now the final expression is this one, B dash. This will be B dash. B dash plus A dash into C dash plus A into C. You can rearrange the expression. There is no problem in that. In any order, you can simplify the group, but you must take care to have minimum number of groups with maximum number of ones. Alright. Let us look at another example. This is the example where we don't have the min terms, but we have given the truth table. Okay. You can directly specify the values from the truth table. You need not to worry about expressions, min terms. You can directly put the values from the truth table to the K-map. Alright. Now, in this example, we have a truth table of 3 variables with 8 different combination, and we have the output of the function like this. Okay, x is the function. Function has these many values. In this expression, the values with 1 will be considered for simplification, where the first one will be 0, 0, 0. A, B, C, 0, 0 will be 1. Next will be 1, 0, 0. That is A is 1, B is 0 and C is also 0. Next we have 1, 1, 0. A is 1, B is 1, C is 0 here. Next 1, 1, 1. A into B into C. This is the 1. Now, how do you group these variables? What else you can do is, how many groups you can take? You can combine these two variables or these two variables and these two. Once it must be grouped, we'll have first group and second group. Alright. You cannot combine these three because group of 3 is not allowed in K-map. Only you can have is 2 ones, to group of 2 or 4 or 8 like this. So you can group these 2 ones. When you simplify this, when you check with this group, you have to check these two variables and this one. Now, when you check with the variable A is complementing and non-complementing each other. So, it will be cancelled. Variable A is cancelled. When you look at B is in the complement form. Now, you can consider B. C is nothing to compare with. Doesn't have anything to compare. So, C will be kept. B is also in the complement form. C is also in the complement form. This will be, expression will be B dash into C dash. When you consider this group, the variables you have to consider is these values. In this, there is nothing to compare with. Therefore, you can keep the ones as it is. Now, in C, you have both the complement and the non-complement form. What happens? C will be cancelled. Remained is the A, B. Remaining is the A, B. Expression will be A, B for this group. Now, the final simplified expression for this is AB plus B into B dash into C dash. So, final expression with 3 variables A, B, C will be A into B plus B dash into C dash. Okay. So, this is the final expression with the truth table. How to convert or how to simplify if the truth table is given instead of expression. Final, instead of Boolean function, if you get a truth table, you must know how to convert this to the tabular form, that is to the K-map, and how to simplify it. Alright. So, this is another example. Then we have set of examples. We have these many sets of example. The first one is with 2 ones, 0, 1 will be cancelled. 0, 0 will be kept, that is B dash into C dash. Second will be group of 2 ones here. 1 will be kept as it is, nothing to compare. B will be kept as it is because it is having complement form. C will be cancelled. Remained is the A into B dash. Okay, in the complement form, A into B dash. When it comes to the next example, we have 4 ones in this. Okay, now we have to consider 0, 1. We have complement and non-complement form. A will be cancelled. In this, we have B remained as it is, whereas C is changing. So, it will be B dash. When you look at this example, you have to consider these 4 combinations. Obviously, there is change in state with every combination. So, these 2 will be cancelled. Remained is the A in the complement form, that is A dash. Next example is this one with these 2. Here 0 will be kept as it is, that means A dash. In this, B will be cancelled because 0, 1, B will be cancelled. C will remain as it is. You will get A dash into C. Now, we have another example where 2 ones are grouped. Now, you have to compare these 2. Okay, it will be kept as it is, A. Here, B has complement and non-complement form. B will be cancelled. Now, C is there in the complement form. In both the ones, it is complement form. It will be A into C dash. Alright. Next example is this one. The upper ones are grouped. In this, you have 0. Don't have anything to compare. A will be retained. Next, we have the variables B and C. You have to consider these 2 combinations. When you look at the variable B, it is changing. So, variable B is cancelled. Next remained is the C. C has both the combinations. C has complement form. C will remain. Now, it will be A in complement form and C in complement form. The answer is A dash into C dash. When you look at the last example, what does the last example has? 4 ones. Now, we have to check with these values. 0 and 1 are cancelled. That means A is not there. A is over. Now, B and C, let's check with B. B has complement and non-complement form. Therefore, we are going to cancel the variable B. Next, we have the variable C. In both the combinations, we have the complement form of C. We can keep the variable C with complement form, that is C dash. Therefore, the answer is C dash. Alright, you can try with some more combinations with all the 8s or some of the ones. You can check with so many examples and you can simplify using the K-map, using if you have 3 variable mapping. We know about the 3 variable mapping. Let's take some more examples with 4 variable mapping. Now we have 4 variable mapping. Okay, we have again 8 examples of 4 variable K-map. In this, let's take the first example. First example has 2 ones. check with these values. A is cancelled. B in the complement form. C and D again in the complement form. Okay. Now we have summation of 0, 8. It will be B dash into C dash into D dash. Or you can write like this: B dash, C dash, D dash. One and the same. Let's check with the second example. We have functions with the values 5, 13. Now 5, 13, A will be cancelled, B in the non-complement form, and we have C in the complement form and D in the non-complement form. Final expression is B into C dash into D. Let's take the third example. Third example is 13 and 15. Min terms in 13th cell and 15th cell. Okay, those two only ones. Remaining all will be zeros. Alright. Now, we have to keep these variables as it is. You don't have anything to compare. It will be A and B in non-complement form. Now, this will be C is changing the value, state. C will be cancelled. Only D remains in non-complement form. The final expression is A into B into D. This is the third example. When you check with the fourth example, you have 1 in 4 and 6. Cell 4 and cell having value 6. Now, you have to keep these values as it is. 0, 1. Compare these two combinations. Variable C is changing its state combination, complement and non-complement form. 0 and 1 will be cancelled. That means C is cancelled. D is remaining in the complement form. Final expression will be A dash into B into D dash. Okay. A dash into B, A dash into B into D dash. Let's go to the fifth example. In fifth example, we have the group of 4 ones. You have to check with these combinations. Now we have A remaining in the same complement state and B changing the state. B will be taken back or B will not be considered. Then we have C and D. The variable C is remaining in non-complement form. D is changing the form. Therefore, D can be ignored. Now, we have the expression A dash, A in complement form, A dash and C in non-complement form, that is C. A dash into C. Let us check with next example. Next example has again 4 ones. Check these values. In this, we have A changing the state. A will be ignored. B is remaining in the non-complement form. Now we have C and D, where C is changing its state. What must be done? C must be ignored. D is remaining in the same state, that is the complement state. D can be retained. The final expression is B into C, B into D dash. Okay, this is the example. Now, let's have a look at the seventh example. Seventh example has the group again with 4 ones. We have to consider these combinations. When you look at the variables A and B, A is changing the state. You don't have A. Now, B is there in the complement form. We have B dash. Here, C is there, which is not changing the state and is in the non-complement form. C remains as it is. Whereas, D is changing the state 1 and 0. D will be ignored. Okay. Final expression is B dash into C. We shall finish this with the last example with 4 ones in the corner cells. You have to consider these combinations. Let's check with 2 variables A and B. A is changing its state. We can skip the variable A. B is remaining the same, is in the same state, that is in the complement state. That will become B dash. Let's check with C and D. C is changing its state, so that will be cancelled. C will be cancelled. Now we have D remaining in the same state, that is in the complement state. It will be D dash. Final expression is B dash into D dash. Okay. These are the few of the examples that can be drawn for simplification of the expression in different variables. Next session, I am going to explain you how to simplify the expression in product of the sum form with considering the max terms. Here we are considering the min term for SOP. For POS, we have to consider the max term. Let's get to know about simplifying the expression in product of sum in the next session. Thank you.